Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share your screen on your Facebook Messenger video call. So let's start. First, open the Facebook Messenger app. Now select a conversation. Tap on the camera icon at the top of the screen to start a video call. Now wait till the person receives your video call. Once the call is received, at the bottom you'll see many options. And if you swipe up, you'll see some more. Now tap on Share Your Screen to start sharing your screen. And tap on Start Now. And the other person will be able to see your screen. Now if you want to stop sharing your screen, tap on Stop Sharing. And that's how you can share your screen on Messenger video calls. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.